Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what fits in this Coach Tabby shoulder bag. So as you can see, this is a very well structured bag. The sides, the back, and on the other side as well. A really nice structured bag. And this one is made up of tweed boucle and also with the refined calf leather around it. Really nice. So first things first, okay, when deciding of getting a bag. So do you think our iPhone 7 Plus, the large size phone, would fit in a bag? So yes, of course. Definitely this would fit because this is more of like, yeah, in a medium size bag. So that would fit for sure. We don't have any problems. So most of the time I put my phone at the back. So let's try to put this one. It fits nicely, perfectly. I like that my phone is hidden though. Let's see if, yeah, it's perfect like that. So we have our phone there. It's a large phone, 7 Plus. So now, what else do we need? Oh, by the way, if you guys probably have noticed the chain. So I tried to customize this bag for myself. So I tried to put the chain here. And I think it looks good just with the chain like that. It looks nice. By the way, this is from my multi-pochette from Louis Vuitton. I just put it there. See how it looks. I think it looks fine. And okay, so let's open the bag. Okay. So what do we need? What else do we need to put in this lovely Tabby bag? So we need a key. Okay. So we have an option. I'm just probably gonna fill this one right now with the Coach key holder. So I'm gonna fill it with the key. So where do you want me to put the key? I'm probably gonna have to put in a place where we could easily grab. Let me see if I could put the one here. It's gonna be bulging though. I would probably gonna put it in this compartment right there. So what else do we need? It's more of like a medium-sized pochette from Coach. It could fit a lot of your makeup and stuff like mirror, lip glosses, lipstick, or anything, any essentials that you actually need day by day. So I fill this one up. Let's see if this one would fit. Okay. Oh yes. See, look. It fits inside perfectly. I think this bag has 1, 2, 3 compartments. This is the one here in the middle, the zip one. And also there's another slip pocket here in the back. Wow. 2 large compartments. It's beautiful. So what else do we need? Let's say, okay, the card holder. So we have an options. So this is a large bag. Basically, you could put a large size wallet, but personally, I don't carry large wallets anymore myself, unless if it is like for work, I do have to carry it. But this is just, let's take for example, this is like for a night out. Okay, so we have a card holder here, and this is from Coach. Actually, I love this one from Coach. It looks very classy. This is like an embossed croc though. This is really nice. So more likely I'd put this one here, so it's gonna be safe right there. What else do we need? So let's just say, yeah, you could transform this bag actually from day to night. If you would remove this one like that during the day, and you could put this one back at night, right? So Okay, let's put some sunglasses. So the sunglass would fit on the back. Let me just put it this way. Yes, does fit perfectly at the back. So you could actually use a soft drawstring for your sunglasses, but I don't really do that because have a terrible experience in the past putting it in a really soft bag. So I might as well just protect it. So this one fits. So we have the coin holder. This is such a lovely horse and carriage. So I could still slip this one inside. Maybe I could put it in the back. I don't know. Yeah, I could put it over there. Let me try to put this one. Let's push it that way now. It wouldn't. Okay. So what else do we need? What if I would try to put this mini pochette? Okay, let's see if this one fits. Yeah, wow. Look at those compartments. They were all filled with stuff and there's still more room. Oh my goodness. Wow. So that's pretty much like, do you want to put more? Maybe I could put the sunglasses right here. I'd put the sunglasses there on the top. That would look good. Yeah, if you really wanted to fill that one up to the brim, that would, let me see if I could close it. No, it wouldn't close, but I might as well just put it on that side. So okay. So that's how it looks. There's still room over here. There was still actually plenty of room. But the question is, this bag tends to get heavy, but it's not heavy at all. Wow. It's not. I could still carry it. Very nice. Look at the side. Wow. Look at the side. So by the way, guys, when I unbox this one, I have issues right here at the corner. I don't know if you could see that. I wasn't able to really like remove the dent. And also here at the strap as well, the strap actually was peeling. So I did call them and ask them for a replacement. It might probably gonna be here anytime next week. So yeah, this is such a beautiful, beautiful, classy bag. I mean, I can't wait to use this one for dinner. It's so beautiful. It has a little bit of like glitter, something like shimmer around it, you know. Very, very nice. And also, okay, so this one, let's remove some of this stuffing. This one takes so much space though. I mean, you could, if I'm gonna remove that one, if I'll try to put the agenda from, this is from Hermes agenda. Let's see if this one would fit. Oh wow, it just sitting right there perfectly. Wow, it's amazing. I think that's basically what you needed. You have your basic essentials for your makeup, you have your keys, you have your agenda, sunglasses, and then this is your coin purse, and you have your card here. You could add more. You could actually add a lot more, guys. It's really up to you. Let me try to see if this card holder, this is actually like close to a full-size wallet, but I know that, you know, the size wallet is really thick. This could, yeah, this could easily fit in there. I just love this large compartments. It's so lovely. And also there's another one here right in the middle. Wow, I am so surprised that this bag could fit a lot, a whole lot, like seriously a lot. Wow, that's amazing. Not only it's so elegant, but it could hold a lot of stuff. Very nice. Wow. And also you could dress it up. And oh, I have a chain here. This is a brass chain. Let's see if, let me just try to put this one over here. Let me just try to see if this one would work actually. So let me just try to see if just, oh yeah, it works with a chain, guys. Wow, very beautiful with the chain. It's just really up to you if how you want to dress this bag, but this would work pretty much with the brass chain. Look at that, very lovely. Oh wow, I am so amazed at how much, wow, this is such a beautiful, beautiful bag. I am so surprised. Wow. Okay. Let me take, okay. Just like that. It's so elegant. Just like that. Just like that. With a chain, a little bit of like, yeah, it looks great, isn't it? It's amazing. But this is just some sort of like reference, guys. I mean, you could put anything in the bag, but I'm just gonna I'm just showing it to you how much room we have left for this bag in here. And I think this is, I'm not sure how much it is right now. I'm probably gonna have to include the price below. If I am not mistaken, this is $225 if I am not mistaken. I am not 100% sure, but it would definitely gonna worth your money because this is such a beautiful, beautiful, classy bag. Oh my goodness, I am so blown away at how beautiful this is. And yes, and I would highly recommend it. Yeah, like the leather trim, the boucle tweed, it's so elegant. I mean, it's structured bag, it could fit a lot. It has a strap, 2 removable straps. You could dress this bag however you wanted, and what else you could ask for, right? Beautiful. Look at the sea. Let me just see, I've noticed something. Is the magnet strong enough? It does seem to look like you still have to maneuver it. It's so weird. Hold on. Probably did not. Yeah. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Definitely, this bag is so gorgeous. It could fit a lot more than I thought. It is so beautiful. It is classy. I would highly recommend this one for, I mean, I could already picture it out, somebody wearing this one in a night out or a night dinner. You could transform this bag into a clutch as well. All you have to do is just remove all the straps and leave this one. You could just use it as a clutch. It's beautiful, just like that. But I think it would be too too bulky, like, you know, yeah, it's structured for as a clutch. But yeah, definitely, it is beautiful. It's gorgeous. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.